Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you my first impressions of Shayla's keto bowl. So here I have all of the ingredients, and in her keto bowl she uses 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, about a half a cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, stevia, she uses liquid but I have the granulated, and pumpkin seeds, coconut flakes, almonds, and blueberries to top it, okay? So here in this container, I have the hemp and chia seed mix, and I put this in the refrigerator yesterday. I mixed 1 tablespoon of chia, 3 tablespoons of hemp seed with a half a cup of almond milk, okay? So I have that, and the first thing she does is she adds 2 tablespoons of almond butter. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And this is no sugar, no salt added almond butter that I'm using. And 1 more tablespoon. Okay, she also adds a few drops of stevia, and I'm not sure of the liquid, but for me, I like about a teaspoon or so. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon of stevia, and then I'll mix it all up. And she uses a hand mixer, but I don't think we're gonna need a hand mixer. I think this is gonna be just fine. So guys, I just posted my first week on keto here on YouTube. It should be the video before this one. So if you guys have some time, if you're interested to see how my first week of doing all keto went, please go ahead and look at that video and tell me what you think of the results, or if that's something, keto lifestyle, something that you think you can do. Okay, it looks pretty thoroughly mixed and it's pretty thick. Let me give you guys a good close-up view. This is what it's looking like with the chia and the almond butter. So I have that all mixed. And then the last thing she does is just tops it with some nuts and berries, okay? So let's go ahead and top our keto bowl. Okay, I have a couple blueberries. These were all I have left. So a couple blueberries, they're washed. I do have pecans, so I put those on there. And she just does a handful or a sprinkle, so today I'm not gonna measure it, but if it's good, I definitely like to measure all of the food that I eat so that I can kind of regulate how many calories I'm intaking. So I put a couple pecans there, and I have blackberries, but I'm gonna try it without, okay? I'm gonna get a spoonful. I got some nuts on my spoon, a blueberry on my spoon. Cheers. This is good. I don't know what I can compare it to. The blueberries definitely give you that contrast in flavors. It gives you that peanut butter and jelly type sensation. So I really like that. I think blueberries is a great addition. I don't think that I necessarily need the pecans because I can't distinguish them from the taste of the almond butter and all the other ingredients. But this is good. That's really good. Berries are keto friendly, so blueberries are a good thing to add. I think I'm definitely gonna add a few of these blackberries because again, I like that peanut butter and jelly-esque flavor. I'll put a couple of those in. And yeah, I think this would definitely be more of a treat For me, for that week on keto, I really tried to stay away from sweets because any type of sweets is like a gateway for me. I taste a little sugar and I'm like, I could eat, you know, a piece of candy, or do I have any more Halloween chocolate? Or, you know, that's how my brain goes. It kind of snowballs into making a bad decision. But this is really good. I'm really happy that I tried this. I hope you guys try it out. Please comment on this video. Let me know if you've tried her recipe. It's pretty good. Have a great day. Bye. Did you try it? This is good.